Hello students, I had explained already in previous video using Euclid Division Lemma. First up, I had explained what is Euclid Division Lemma. So we know that in my previous lecture, like Euclid Division Lemma is what? So A is equal to BQ plus R. We know that, and here condition is what? A greater than B, and also we know our remainder 0, our remainder is greater than or equal to 0 but less than B. Okay, let's start in this video using this Euclid Division Lemma. How to find HCF? We know HCF. What is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. So start with a simple example like this one, 95 and 15. Okay, so 95 and 15, we using Euclid Division Lemma. First of how to find HCF? So first our condition is what? Our condition is A greater than B. So can we say A greater than B? That means 95 is greater than 15. It means 95 is our A and 15 is our B. Okay. In very previous standard, we already know that how to find HCF. Okay. Suppose let's start with previous method. Like if I something 95 and 15, how to find? Okay. Actually we know that factor, any number has a two factor, 1 and number itself. So 95, so first is 1 and second is 95. Okay, we know 1 and number itself, both are factors of 95. Then 95, we know here is unit digit is what? 5. So 5, that means it's a odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Then divisibility 3. Okay, so divisibility 3 is what? Divisibility 3 is, we know that sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Here 9 plus 5, so 9 plus 5, so we get 14, and 14 is not divisible by 3, so that's why this number is also not divisible by 3. Then our unit digit is 5. We know that if unit digit is 5 and 0, so it is divisible by 5. So here if I divide by 5, so we get 19. So 5 and 19 both are factors of 95 also. So here we know that 1, 5, 19 and 95 means 1 and number itself both are factors. Same way, if I factor of 15 here, if I do see 15, so 1, then 3. Why 3? Directly because first of no, 5 is our unit digit, and unit digit is what? Unit digit is odd number, so it's not divisible by 2. Then divisibility 3, divisibility test 3, the sum of digit. So here sum of digit is what? 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 is also divisible by 3. Then the whole number 15 is divisible by 3. So here 15 divisible by 3, so we get 3 5s are 15. And also we know 1 and number itself both are factor. So in both factor, here factor of 95 and here factor of 15, in both factor what is common? So here common is 1 and here also common is 5. So here common factor 1 and 5, and HCF means highest common factor. Short में HCF is what? So 1 and 5 both are common, but highest number is what? 5. Means 95 and 15. So our HCF is 5. This method is already we know in previous standard, but in present standard 10 using Euclid Division Lemma find to HCF. Both method if I use, but answer is same. Okay, so let's start with this. Answer is also 5. If I applied this method, answer is also 5. Let's see how to find. Our A is what? 95. So A is equal to BQ plus R, means here 95. So our A is 95, and if I 95, so means 95 upon 15, means this one is our A and this one is our B. So our A is what? 95, our B is what? 15, and quotient, if 95 divided by 5, 95 divided by 15, so 15 6 are 90 and 5 is remainder. Okay, see, our A is what? 95 and our B is what? 15. In this method, first off we check here as per our criteria, A is greater than B, means 95 is greater than 15. Then A is equal to BQ plus R. So our A is 95, B is 15, and if 95 divided by 15, so our quotient is what? 6 and our remainder is what? 5. Then our B, here actually our B becomes A, means 15, our B becomes our A and our R becomes our B, means here what? 5. So 5 3s are 15 and remainder is what? 0. Means when we get the 0, so in upper digit as a remainder, this one is our answer. In this method, particularly when remainder get a 0, our process ends here. Means in this method we have to continue like this one. Our B becomes our A and our R becomes our B. See this one. Okay, so continue this step till we not get a 0. Okay, so then 0, if we once get a 0 and above remainder is our answer, so our answer is HCF is 5. So see, if you using this method, either this or this method, our answer will be same. But particularly standard 10 here asking find HCF using Euclid Division Lemma, so you have to compulsory using this method. We don't use like this one. We know answer is same, but as per our defined method, so we use this. So HCF is 5. Done. So let's start with another example. Okay, so 99 and 18, this one, and suppose 99 and 18. Okay, so 99 and 80, so it means our, as per no, A greater than B, our formula. So 99 is our A and 18 our B. Okay, so 99 upon 18, A is equal to BQ plus R. So 99, 18 is our B. 18 5s are, we know 18 5s are what? 90, plus remainder is what? 9. Okay, as per our previous method, our B becomes our A, means here we put 18 and our R becomes our B. So 19 into 2, so 18 plus 0, means in previous sum we know that and we already discussed on this topic. So if I continue, the process continue and continue till we not get a 0, and if once get a 0, our process ends here. So here our remainder is 0. It means our answer is what? 9. So our HCF is 9. Okay, and if I want to cross check our answer is right or wrong using previous method in very previous standard. So here 99, factor of 99 and factor of 18. So first 1, we know that any number has a two factors, 1 and number itself. So here first is a 1, second number itself means 99. Here unit digit is 9 means odd number, so it's not divisible by 2. So that's why the whole number 99 is not divisible by 2. And divisibility 3, as per divisibility 3, the sum of digits, so 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3, then the whole number 99 is divisible by 3. So if I divide by 3, so 3 and 33, done. Okay, so 3 and 33 is also okay, also 9 and 11 also, 11 9s are 99, done. So this means all these are factors of 99. Same way applying here method, so 1, 18, we know that 1 and number itself both are factors. Okay, so 1 and 18, then 18 unit digit is 8 means even, so 2 9s are 8. Same way 3 6 are 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18 also, then 9 2s are, so 9 2s are, it's done here. So it means if you compare the both factors, so what is the common? 1 is a common, then 9 is also common, 3 is also common. Okay, so our common factor is what? Our common factor is 1, 3 and 9. Okay, but as per our HCF, so highest common factor HCF is what? 9. So see here both answer. If you apply Euclid Division Lemma, answer is HCF. And if you apply this method, very previous standard, we had already learnt in standard 5, 6. Okay, so this method also answer will be same. HCF is 9 and here also HCF is 9. Okay, so another example like exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Okay, so like okay, in exercise 1.1, your textbook, first question, the first question is what? 135 and 225. 135 and 225. Okay, see, as per our condition, A is greater than B, means our A is what? 225 and our B is what? 135, because this one is A and this one is B and A greater than B. Okay, so our A is what? Our A is here 225 and our B is what? 135. So see, 225 divided by 135. Okay, so 135 ones are 135, we know that, so 90. So 135 Q means what? We know that Q means quotient, so this one is Q, can we say, and this one is R. Okay, so 135 into Q, because here B and Q both are in multiplication relation, so 135 into 1, because our Q is 1, 135. Okay, and plus R. Our remainder is what? Our remainder is 90. Okay, means we know that Q is our quotient and R is our remainder. So 135 ones are 135 plus 90 is our remainder. And as per previous discuss with you, our B becomes in next step, our B becomes our A and our R becomes our B. So our B is here 135 becomes a A and our R becomes a B, means 90. 90 ones are 90. Okay, and here suppose 135 divided by 90, 90 ones are 90, so 45 plus 45 is a remainder. Our B becomes our A, means 90 is our A and our R becomes our B, means 45. 45 twos are 90 plus 0. And if once get a 0 in remainder, if once get a 0 in remainder, so very previous step, in very previous step our R is 45, so that's why our HCF is 45. And if you want to cross check your answer is right or wrong, so HCF is 45, it means the 45, the number both 135 and 225 both is divisible by 45. 135 45 threes are and 225 divided by also 45, 45 fives are. So you see, if both number is divisible by 45, then we can say that our answer is right, means our HCF is 45. Okay, thank you students. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. SSPA means Sri Shankeshwar Parsnath Academic Tutorial is my channel, and please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you, and like also.